Okay, guys, welcome back to JH Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We had a busy week, a lot of stuff happening in the markets, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, and swing arounds. We're going to set up, we're going to talk about some charts, we're going to talk about a couple different things that are happening in the market, and we're just going to do some brief overviews, and, just to keep you guys informed on what's happening here out there in the market. So, alright, and then let me drop this in here for my people in here. Guys, I am live doing crypto news now here. Join me. Tag. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to start off over here at crypto coinmarketcap.com. Let's go here and hit this. Okay, overall cryptocurrency market cap coming in at 90 billion. So we are getting closer back to go to the 1 trillion. 24-hour volume is at 53 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at 42%. Ethereum dominance is at 15%. I would think that Bitcoin dominance would be picking up, but it looks like people are moving some of their money into some of these altcoins. There's a lot of bullish opportunities out there. Okay, let's run through the coins. Bitcoin coming in at 20,605. It's down 0.5%. We're just starting our day. New York Open started a few hours ago, and Bitcoin seems to be riding at that 20K level. Ethereum is at 1,187, up 0.2%, up on 2% on the 7-day. Tether right now has the market cap of 66 billion and a 38 billion volume. And then you see US dollar coin has a $55 billion market cap. So it looks like these are our two top coins. And a lot of people have moved into USD coin because they feel it's a safer coin. If I'm gonna hold US dollars when I take profits from my Bitcoin trades on bullish runs, I'm probably going to hold them in USD coin. But if I'm going to be doing swapping and trades, what I do is I take my profits off of my farms. Like you can see, you can invest in Polka or Babyswap or any of your farms. I take those and I transfer them to USDT, send them to phemex. And on phemex, I then buy Bitcoin, and I send the Bitcoin out to my hot wallet. So, guys, if you go to my Twitter, you'll see I dropped today's phemex link. You guys can go over there. There's actually a $4,100 bonus if you use my link to sign up and you start trading and you make your first deposit. And then you could come back and watch the videos every day for the targets that we see on the Bitcoin price. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin on the 1 hour, because you know that the 1 hour is the time that the charts that we look at the most here. So, right now, we had been riding the 50 as we talked about yesterday and over the weekend, and we did peak up and hit that 21.5, that half number range, which is around the psychological low. So right now, we're below the psychological low, which in my opinion is a good accumulation area, because at some point, okay, it seems like they would come back up and recover some of these candles. So they had that vector candle, they recovered it. So it looks like they went down past the M2 zone, but we do have to also know that our M0 pivot zone is at that 19K. All right, so we're holding by a thread here, but as long as we continue to stay bullish and we continue to have good sentiment in the market, we'll be okay. Let's go ahead and hop to a smaller time frame, to the 30-minute, since that'll give me a better breakdown of what's been happening. So we open up, and the New York market decided to pull the price down to the M2 level, which was the 20,500. They work in whole and half numbers. So that's what we're seeing there. Let me tell you about Ethereum real quick. Ethereum, okay, on this 30-minute chart, Ethereum did hit that 1,240 mark, but then they swiftly pulled it way back down here to the M2 pivot zone at 1,182. So what is their plan? What is their plan? What are they going to do here? So we're below the daily open. All right. So if we close a daily candle below the daily open, then we could see some more downside to Ethereum to like the 1060. If we hold this and we close above the daily open, then we can get more bullish and move back up to these sides. If you're wondering what these boxes are, these are all the different sessions, and this is when the volatility comes into the market. The red box is New York, Sydney, Hong Kong. So I watch all the different opens and how the money is moving. Right now, gold in the market, gold has pulled back, but it looks like there's a lot of volume happening in gold right now. So there's a lot of people, because of all the stuff that's happening in the stock market, they're moving into gold as a safe haven asset. And people are going to start realizing that Bitcoin is digital gold, just in the digital form, versus you holding an actual nugget of gold. Let's hop into Binance, one of our favorites. So I did actually, when Ethereum, before it dipped, I sold off my Ethereum and I brought heavy into Binance when Binance hit right below that $200 mark. And that was definitely a good call. I told you guys that. I said, once we hit this area, we're going to start accumulating. So we pull below that 50 here on the 30 and the 1 hour around, the June 18th, around that time. And it's been nice upward movement from there. And what I see in the immediate short term for BNB is at least BNB could come back and touch that daily open right here at 233, but I would love for it to be at that psychological level here at the open of the US Brinks session at 240. So if you were going to go long, your stop loss would be below the daily open, like at 230, and then your take profit target on BNB would be 239 or 240. Okay? And then Bitcoin, if you're looking, you see this bottom line, your stop loss, you want it to be below the 20.5. So I would do 20.3 with, if you're going to go long, I would do a 20.3 stop loss. I would not enter the trade until Bitcoin tapped that 20.5, okay, for the long, because then Bitcoin would long back up to the 21,100. So that's definitely a trade that could be taken here. Let's go ahead and go back to the S&P. So what we had happen today, S&P opened up bullish, but then something pulled it back hard. Let's go and take a look at CNBC and see what the hell they're talking about. She is saying that ARK Investments, Kathy Wood, says the U.S. is already in recession. Yeah, we already been having crises. We're going through this, and nobody wants to hear the music. You know what I'm saying? Nobody wants to play the music, hear the funds. You know what I mean? Nobody wants to do what they got to do. Let me just go ahead and hop into some of these chat links here for you guys so I can hop into my channel here. I'll be able to see you guys in the comments, and I'll be able to share the videos. So let me just go ahead and hop into some of these. Let me get my share out, and then we're gonna continue to talk crypto, man. I love it, and I love you guys, and we've been doing very well overall together. We work together as a team. I'll be doing a new call channel, dropping some YouTube shorts and all that good stuff, man. I love it, and I think that we're gonna do very well. So, in the meantime, I'm going to be dropping this so you guys can retweet it. I'm going to pull it up on my Twitter here, and you guys can see our video. So, profile, I put it up on our Twitter right now. Boom, right there. So, what I do is, I'm going to go ahead and drop this link here, quote tweet, and I'm going to grab these guys so that way we can get some more people in, and we can get some people knowing about the video and rocking out. But yeah, man, Bitcoin's sitting right there. It's definitely had a lot of movement, back and forth, a lot of volatility, and we are going to continue to follow it, man. I love it. I love teaching you guys, and I love being around with you guys. You guys are always rocking out, and your support is the best. Click and share now. Raid this tweet. Stream and say, hey, Peggy, and use tags. Alright. Go, 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 go. Hit that, hit that. And then raid my YouTube vid post now. Mad love, guys. Crypto news today. Alright, so I just had to make sure I had a nice little shout out for everybody so everybody can see what's going on. Okay, so let's keep going along here. So we talked about the Binance and BNB. XRP at 34 cents. I love that. I'm definitely an XRP bull. XRP is, I've been accumulating XRP a long time. I actually held XRP when it was up, and right before that last sell-off, I ended up moving into fiat, and then when XRP hit the 40 cents, I started accumulating all the way back down until it hit 30, and then now we're on our way back up. So this is just excellent for XRP. Let's go ahead and look at the chart. I'm going to go to the 1 hour because I really like, I play more longer term plays. I like to put the money in. I'm not looking for making a quick buck. I'm looking to accumulate underneath these moving averages because it will always pop back above the moving averages. So right now would be accumulation time in my eyes, but we can still come back down to this M0 zone at that 33 cents, but that's still much better than this 30-cent, range that we had in that area. So yeah, that looks good. That looks good for us. Dogecoin, man. What do you guys want to say about Dogecoin? Dogecoin about to hit that level on the 1 hour. Okay, I don't know. I've been thinking, like, man, should I get back into the Doge? I'm going to do some more research about Doge and see if there's a longer term future, because if I put money in Doge, I'm going to put it for a long term, I'm not looking to put it and take it out in a month. I want to buy it now at 6 cents and, be able to look at it next year. You know what I'm saying, guys? I want to be able to have that, that happening. So, we'll take it from there. Cardano. So, for all my Cardano lovers out there, There's a lot of volatility. On the 1 hour right now, it is below the 50, so that would be an accumulation time actually because we're leveled out. A stop loss would be right below there at like 47 even, and then we would even pop back up to the 50 cent range. But I would do it 49.5. Would be a take profit. But we're talking some bullish targets. Meanwhile, the S&P has this dip. So watch the markets. They're on lunch right now. They manipulated it back down to that, which was actually needed because we did have this gap. So if it fails below this moving average here on let's go to the 30-minute for them and let's see what's happening. So this 30-minute did form on the bottom here at 383. So as long as we continue an upward momentum, then we shouldn't really have a problem. Yeah, we shouldn't really have a problem with that. Okay. Baby Token, awesome guys. I've been a big advocate of Baby Token. I use their farms, and now would be the perfect time to add into your Baby BNB and Baby USDT. I hold both of them, and I also hold farms on Polka. You can see for Baby, right? And look at these yields, man. And if you look and you hit deposit, it tells you that it compounds in 7 days. So every time it compounds, you can collect your rewards. And I've been doing pretty well with this. And it uses the Babyswap router, so it's pretty cool. You can't beat that. This is a hidden gem farming protocol, and let me tell you, they always have buybacks every single day. So look, it tells you monthly buyback 33,000, daily buybacks, and the money they get off the vaults. So this is a really well made platform here. So you guys should take a look at that. Don't forget to stop by my YouTube and smash some of these videos, guys. I have some videos on here for you guys on how to learn and everything like that, and take it from there. So you guys just, I love the support. I love you guys. Make sure to smash the like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're just trying to build the channel up and we're just trying to get information out. We're very humble. We love you all. Okay? And I wish you guys all the best. J Strategies will always bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more.